this video, we will see about Pausha Putrada Ekadasi. Ekadasi means 11, Sukla Paksha means bright moonlight, Krishna Paksha means dark moonlight. People observe different Ekadasi fasting for attainment of different kinds of goals in life and get different desires fulfilled. Pausha Putrada Ekadasi is observed on the 11th day of Sukla Paksha in the month of Paush. In English calendar, Pausha Putrada Ekadasi comes between December and January. The meaning of this Putrada Ekadasi is a giver of sons. It is believed that couple fast on this day and worship Lord Vishnu to bless them with a son. There are two Putrada Ekadasi in a year, and both Ekadasi significance are to beget the son. As this comes in the Paush month, it is termed as Pausha Putrada Ekadasi. Another Putrada Ekadasi, which comes in the month of Shravana, called Shravana Putrada Ekadasi. Observing Pausha Putrada Ekadasi is equivalent to 1000 Ashwamedha Yajnas and 100 Rajasuya Yajnas. This Ekadasi blesses the observers with virtuous son, removes the sin of past and confers liberation, takes care of the well-being of the whole family, and blesses the devotees with wealth and prosperity. Story of this Ekadasi was narrated by Lord Krishna to King Yudhishthira in Bhavishya Purana. Once there was a king of Bhadravati called Suketuman, and his wife Saiba were grieved by the absence of progeny. The couple worried and frustrated that they have no son. So they both left kingdom and went to the forest. After wandering the forest for days, Suketuman reached the ashram of sages on the banks of Lake Manasarovar on Putrada Ekadasi. The sages revealed that they were the 10 divine Vishwadevas. They advised the king to observe Putrada Ekadasi fasting to get a son. Couple observed Pausha Putrada Ekadasi with sincere prayers to Lord Vishnu. Soon the king was blessed with a son who grew up to become a heroic king. Thus Lord Krishna concluded the story. On this day, devotees observe Ekadasi fasting and chant Vishnu Sahasranamam. People also visit Lord Vishnu temples and offer their pujas. Chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.